And what could signal a big win for Columbus Crew fans, the Attorney General is now threatening legal action to keep the Columbus Crew in town. NBC4's Rob Sneed is live at Moffrey Stadium with a look at how that could happen and how the fans are reacting. Rob?
Mike, I spoke with the manager of a Crew bar on High Street, and he says he does not want to see the team leave. He says he supports DeWine's efforts. The fight to keep the Crew here could make its way inside of a courtroom. Ohio Attorney General Mike DeWine sent NBC4 a statement that says in part, he is prepared to take the necessary legal action under the law to protect the interest of the state of Ohio and the Central Ohio communities, which have all invested to make the Columbus Crew a proud part of our Ohio sports tradition.
Hopefully the Attorney General should be a powerful enough figure to negotiate some kind of action which would keep the team here.
William Decker is the manager of Hendocks Pub, a Crew bar on High Street. He says he and other Crew fans are now hopeful since DeWine's announcement. It came after State Representative Mike Duffy asked him if he could take legal action under the law that was passed when the former Browns owner sought to move the franchise to Baltimore.
Even just here, there was just outrage, public outrage at the ownership moving the team to Baltimore. And I feel like it's going to be a similar situation here if it comes down to that.
Duffy told NBC4 the law prevents tax-supported professional sports teams from leaving their home cities without providing at least 6 months' notice and the opportunity for those home cities to buy the teams. He also said the funds came in 2009 when the state provided $5 million at the Crew's request to repave the parking lot surrounding what was then Crew Stadium. NBC4 reached out to Columbus Crew's Director of Communications, Tim Miller, who said in part, there is nothing to address as Crew SC prepares for the 2018 season.
We love our Columbus Crew. We've all been invested with the team since they started. And aside from the obvious business sense for us, I mean, we definitely want to keep the Crew in town.
And Decker also tells me he will continue to hold out hope that the Crew will stay here. Reporting live, Rob Sneed, NBC4.
Thank you, Rob. Meanwhile, we are getting our first look at that proposed soccer stadium design in Austin, Texas, where the Crew could move to after next season. Precourt Sports Ventures released this photo tonight of that proposed soccer stadium. The stadium plan comes 1 week after Columbus leaders announced it would offer 4 options to either relocate or redesign the current stadium. Of course, we're following this story every step of the way. We'll bring you updates on the future of the Crew as we learn them on air on NBC4 and NBC4i.com.